Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can retrieve the currently logged in user email in Laravel using Auth Facades. Now firstly you have to use this illuminate /support /facades /auth, and after that in your controller you are going to say $email or whatever variable name is equals to auth ::. Here we are going to access the user, and then after the parentheses hyphen angle bracket email. Okay, now I could try to show you this. Let's say return $email. You don't have to do this, but to show you I will try. Okay, I got my email as ashin@gmail.com. That is how you can access the currently logged user